If you are interested in making money with the blockchain space, or if you're interested in creating generational wealth through the next 5 years, this video is for you. I want you to listen to everything in this video because, well, now is critical. It's absolutely critical. What we're seeing now in crypto is critical because, look, pay attention. Why is the next month so critical for Bitcoin? Yes, we could hit $130,000. We could hit 140, 150K, and that's brilliant. You know, I want these things to happen, but we also have to consider September 2013, we had a Bitcoin pullback. September 2017, we had a Bitcoin pullback. September 2021, we had a Bitcoin pullback. Could we see a Bitcoin pullback in September 2025? There is probably a good chance of seeing that pullback. But what then usually happens is something very, very interesting. And that's we usually finish the year with a massive, massive bull run. And this is typically, you know, where the inception starts. And by this, I mean the very end of the pump, where the first weekly red candle prints, where we start to see the downtrend incept for Bitcoin. So let me just quickly show you what I mean by this. So for example, in the 2013 cycle, this is 2013 November, we've got this period where the price comes down and we hit our bottom. Fast forward to 2017. Look over here, December 2017 this time. We hit our top, we come back down, we hit the bottom, we go back to a true bear market. Then fast forward to 2021. I'm not making this up, but look, November 2021, the top was right there where we hit 60 something thousand dollars. Bitcoin came down back to its accumulation range, you know, a very short window of time. We're now approaching November and December of 2025. So could we be seeing a euphoric top soon where the price of Bitcoin would jump, go up somewhere, you know, around hopefully the 140, 150, 160,000 region, around this sort of square here. This is where we want to go. 140, 150, 160K. It would then happen in November, December. So I think we might get a little pullback in the market and then another massive last wave. That's exactly what I predict is going to happen. I predict pullback September and massive end phase, end of year, and then perhaps we come back down. Now, there's also more beauty behind this. And this is where the capitalization can really come in. And I will be creating for my private group some incredible resources for you guys. I'm going to create a dollar cost average strategy for 2026 and 2027. This will hopefully make people who are my patrons, people who believe in what I say, millions, and hopefully people I know, my friends, my family, millions too. If you want to get involved with this, check out my Patreon down below. The link is down below. You can become a crypto legend. It will be for the crypto legends, this particular strategy. Okay, so bear markets is where the money is made. Bull markets, you might make some money, right? But just to give you a quick insight to my thoughts around this, if you look at the end of the bull run in 2013 to the very lowest possible price for Bitcoin, that took 483 days. That's 483 days of downtrend, pain, confusion, fear, anger, okay, and disbelief. Then again, 2017 December, look, 385 days. You could probably actually call that about 350 days, but still, even 400 days onwards, if you're buying around then, 400 days after the run ends, you're still in a very good place. You're in an accurate range. You're in a good window. 400 days, so take that in. Firstly, look, 483 days, 413 days. Then look, can't make this up again, guys. November 2021, look at the inception, 392 days from the top to the next cycle bottom, about 400 days. So could this mean that it will take 400 days for Bitcoin to hit, you know, from the point it hits the top to climb back down to the bottom, which would put our new ape in territory and target at basically around December 2026, January 2027. So I think it's absolutely important to be considering now the year ahead and start wrapping up this bull run, because I personally think, you know, we're closing in. We're closing in. This isn't just going to go to $300,000. It's going to follow traditional market cycle theory. And I think, you know, this is what's going to happen. So anyway, Bitcoin to $130,000. That's the main topic of this. Yes, I think this could be a possibility. Now, we do have some weak signs. We've got 2 overhead red weekly candles where we're facing a lot of rejection at around $122,000 here on the BLX chart. Well, actually the Bitcoin chart itself. But if we can push through, then again, I do expect a very bullish upcoming, maybe, October or something like that. Or maybe we even do touch into 130k for August and then come back down in September. That would be the easy way to describe it. But I think 130k could be upon us. It's hard to say right now. Bit overbought on the weekly relative strength index, which is right here, as you can see. And we do have that bearish divergence, which is always lingering. Okay, so we've got the lingering bearish divergence. And you can see, just looking at the price action, the price has been flying up. The RSI is doing the opposite. So we do have that big bearish divergence. I would be cautious. I don't think we're going to see Bitcoin go crazy around these levels. So be cautious and just don't make any irrational moves, especially with Bitcoin having pumped as much as it has done. You've got to remember, from the market cycle bottom, November 2022, people are up basically 640%, whilst new investors are maybe up like 20%. 10%, 30%, 40%. Okay, so these people that bought down here, they don't care about you. He 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 don't care about you. But you bought over here, these guys will dump. They will take profits because the cycle is still designed to make profit. It's still designed to capitalize on. And that's the beauty of blockchain and market cycles. It's not there for you just to hold and then suffer for 3 years because you're holding in a loss after things go south and back into a bear market. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments if you want more videos like this or whatever you want. I'll try to get more out. Do also sign up to Bitchnix, guys, down below. They're giving away 10% deposit bonuses as well as new sign-up bonuses. So if you're looking to trade crypto, leverage trade, futures, altcoins, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, of course, it's up to you. Not financial advice. Yeah, you can use this exchange. Great fees. And they're also giving away some free sign-up bonuses right now. The link is down below for Bitchnix, and also get yourself down below into my crypto Discord. I'm very excited to see you guys in the Discord, and we've got 40.5k members in there, so join. It's free to join the Discord, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Peace.